doing? We're standing at the 3-point line, cashing out.
What's up, people? Coming at you with another video. I got a good treat for y'all today. Got my wheels for the Chevelle. We continuing with this build. It's gonna turn out real nice. I'm a little cold out here. I ain't got no coat on, but we gonna open these wheels. I'm gonna let you check it out. You see the scat pack in the background. Footage for that. Yeah, but forget that. We're gonna open up these wheels. I just took the delivery the other day. This Chevelle build is coming out real nice. I'm excited about this. These wheels in particular, I picked out and I ordered them online from DroWheels out in Florida. I'm gonna put their link in the description. I need everybody to get in the description, comment, definitely hit the like button, subscribe. Y'all ain't been subscribing. Y'all need to subscribe. I got a lot more content for this Chevelle. This build gonna be real nice. There's a lot more coming. Without further ado, we're gonna open these wheels. I'm ready to check them out. I ordered these a few months ago. They had to get made. These wheels been out a few years, but I wanted these in particular. I had my eye on these and I was like, when I get my build, this is what I'm finna order, you know? So that's what I did when it was time. So they got these just tight. Alright. Set that down right there. Oh, it's a back lip. Check it out. Armani forged. This is the Bella. Armani forged Bella. This the rear wheel. 6-inch lip. Oh, these look good. I like it. 24s. So DroWheels, they mounted the tires. Balanced them for me. I see they balance. Oh yeah. They hooked me up. Sent them out. Oh, that's nice. I didn't see these on the scat pack. See that right next to this. They ain't going on here though, but why not? Why not check it out? Oh, them don't look bad. Have them go on now? I don't know. These gonna be nice. They gonna be nice. I got a lot more in store for this Chevelle. Definitely like and subscribe. Comment. Let me know what you think about the wheels. Let me know what you think. Jump in the comments. Let me know. That's a front wheel. That's a 3-inch lip. That look good too. That's gonna be nice. Sandman design. Money Forge. Bellow. They ship these out nice. They package them up nice. DroWheels. Shop. Yeah, these gonna be nice for the Chevelle. 1970. Check out my last video if you didn't check it out. There's gonna be a lot more content coming. I got plenty more to do. 2018. Ooh, them wheels, them boys gonna flick. They gonna go hard. Hard in the paint. I should open up the others too. Let's see. Y'all phone. simpler. Six-inch lip. Take the rest out. I'm gonna take them all out because I'm about to. I ain't gonna mount them up for a while, but I'm gonna mount them up probably after the car get painted. I'll mount them up, and then that way. I ain't gonna be driving around from shop to shop. I still gotta go a few more shops with the car and take care of paint, body work, stuff like that. That's another rear wheel. Man, them things are good. This is brushed with the chrome lip. And that's the last one right there. They brought it to me on a nice little pallet. Dropped it off the liftgate truck. Brought it right on in. Yeah, so definitely not a wheel made for traction, but definitely fits my flavor, my style, you know. So it's more about actual looks. I'm going for the looks and the style. It's got like a muscle style with also mixed with some little luxury style class. Like almost give me like a billet type feel, but with more of a new updated style. So I like them. Definitely for me. I'm gonna give y'all a cold start. Since it's cold, give it a cold start. Started it up in a while. It's a 2018 if you haven't seen me talk about it. 2018 Scat Pack. I had it 2 years now. I just made 2 years a month ago. It's still like new. I don't drive it that much. You want me to do a review on this? Jump in them comments, let me know. All right, we out. It's cold out here.